entering a new and dangerous phase. For the fifth time this week, Florida shattering a daily record, 3,822 new infections, and many of those are young people.
I think that we've started to see, some erosion in the social distancing from probably some of the younger population.
Apple tonight closing 11 stores in 4 states, including Florida, due to the uptick in cases. The Philadelphia Phillies shutting down their spring training facility in Clearwater after 5 players and 3 staffers tested positive. The CDC is now predicting up to 145,000 COVID deaths by July 11th, as hospitalizations are rising in 17 states, including Texas, where they're up 108% since Memorial Day.
People are walking around without face masks. They're getting close together. If we don't take precautions, we're going to see a spike. We're seeing one right now.
Dallas County and Harris County, which includes Houston, now making masks mandatory in all businesses.
The idea is to see this as a no shirt, no shoes, no mask, no service.
Marcy Guest, volunteering on the front lines in a New Jersey hospital for 8 weeks, returning home to Arizona, and her husband and their 3 young children.
Unfortunately, it went from leaving one hot spot to going to another.
That state now seeing record hospitalizations too. She says when she got back, she was shocked by what she saw.
Hardly anybody had masks on. People were not socially distant. What will it take for people to realize that the virus is real?
Governor Andrew Cuomo clearing the way for New York City to enter phase 2 of its reopening, delivering his final daily coronavirus briefing.
It's clear that over the past 3 months, we have done the impossible.
Governor Cuomo today, after a very long run, addressing the people of New York on a daily basis. Kaylee Hartung with us live tonight. There's also news coming out of New York City tonight from the fire department about the number of heart attacks they've seen during this pandemic.
Yes, David, the New York City Fire Department is saying they responded to nearly 4,000 cardiac arrest calls this spring. 90% of them were fatal. They say April 6th was the worst day with 305 calls coming in. That's when the average is 40 to 50 calls a day. So the FDNY believes another 3,600 deaths were the result of coronavirus, but few, if any, of those patients were tested. David.